How to add rules in Trello. So first go to your Trello board here, and then just click on the automation here at the top, then click on rules. Okay, so after this, just click on create automation. Then now here you can choose your trigger, your action, and of course review and save. So as for this one, just click on add trigger first. Then you can see all the triggers that you can use. So let's say I want to make a trigger when a card is added to the board by me. Just click on plus first. Then after that, as for the action, what would happen then? What after the card is moved by me or added by me to the board? Move that card to the top of the list. List is, for example, my list is research. This is what will happen. Plus, click on plus again. So the trigger is when a card is added to the board by me, the action is move the card to the top of the list. Now this is the rule. Okay, so after that, just click on save. And now you're done. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.